Trivia Tuesday back at it. I think I have just a slight edge over Emily. Let me check the leaderboard.
Yeah,
what's the leaderboard now?
That's putting it nicely.
Let's see. Trivia Tuesday records tab. I have a two-game lead. You are 5 and 10. I am 7 and 8.
Okay. Emily, I believe in you.
Go for it.
Always rooting for you. Travis, okay, have fun. Here we go. Here's a look at our question today. It is dealing with more of the science behind weather. Why does Portland see the least amount of rainfall in the summertime? So yeah, this one is more of a thinker here. So A, let's get into it. The upper level easterly winds develop, maybe ushering out more storms over the ocean instead of over land. Is it B, the Cascade Mountains tend to block more of the moisture in the summertime? Is it C, the Pacific Ocean is cooling off and that is what helps to block out some of these storms? Or is it D, persistent high pressure patterns set up right over the ocean? Any ideas, you two, before we actually answer this question?
Oh, man.
I feel like I do, and I don't know if do you want me to explain myself right now, or do you want to wait until we pull up the viewers' input here?
Yeah, so let's do that, and you guys can maybe get some insight from viewers. So
yeah, I'm phoning a friend. Help me out here, guys.
So the polls, we always post this on
Ooh.
our Coin Instagram story. And a lot of folks are choosing D, high pressure patterns over the Pacific, as the main cause of the dry weather in the summertime. Not so much for the other three, easterly winds, the Cascade Mountains, or that ocean cooling off. So does this change your guess at all? Travis, you first.
It definitely has me considering it. That's a pretty staggering difference.
I know. Yeah, that's the most audience consensus we've seen in a minute.
It totally
is. So usually it's between two, but yeah, we got a lot of folks for D.
Pressure setting up over the
Well,
Pacific.
so I had a thought here,
yeah,
Kelley,
I did too.
And I'm not going to say which one because I don't want to help Travis, but I think that one of these may apply to another area, and you're trying to throw us off.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. I always try and throw you off.
That's also true. Okay, I am going to go with the audience because I mean it does make sense. And I was between two, but I really was leaning toward another one. But I'm gonna go with the audience on this one. I'm gonna go D.
Okay. And Emily,
you got me rethinking the same thing. So I was kind of down to between like C and D.
Okay.
Oh, interesting.
I was thinking. The ocean is like the biggest driver.
Yeah, the ocean really does couple with the atmosphere.
I know that would probably have some kind of influence, but
you are right about that, Emily. But what is your
I don't
final
know.
answer?
Audience seemed really strong on this one, so I'm hitching my wagon too. I'm going D. Final answer.
Both of you guys for D.
Yep.
And that's
correct. Right. Good job.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody home. I would have got that wrong. I would have got that wrong.
Attention more in class than me, clearly.
Great job, everybody at home. Yes, pressure is one of those things that really drives our weather, and we track pressure at all levels of the atmosphere. And it's those upper level, strong ridges of high pressure that tend to really increase and become more persistent in the summertime. That really blocks out the rain. So
interesting.
It is interesting.
Wait, can I ask a question about option B?
Yes.
The Cascades do block moisture, but that's more for Eastern Oregon, right?
It is, yes.
Okay.
I was trying to throw in some little sprinkles of actual weather and dynamics.
Yeah, I was like, I know that's correct, but I don't think that applies to Portland.
I didn't entertain B. I did think about A for a minute, thinking about the easterly wind, but I know that's a bigger deal, in the summertime with thinking of, of course, fires.
And the easterly winds, that was also a tricky one. That can boost our temperatures too when we have these hotter patterns. Just that very dry, hot air right through the gorge from the east.
Very tricky, Kelley.
Can
Smart
pair
audience.
With the dry
well done.
weather.
Well
Yes.
done.
Great job, you guys.
Good job, you guys at home. Thanks for the answer.
Just going with the audience. Okay, we'll never know if you really do it or not. A win for you both there. Again, our satellite and radar, we have been tracking another ridge of high pressure. Again, when we say that, it tends to bring in a lot of dry and sunny weather.